What if I told you that in 2025 you can make more money from your name than from your job, even with 0 followers right now? That's the power of a micro-personal brand. You don't need millions of followers, you just need clarity, value and trust. Let me show you how to build, how to get paid from it, and how to scale it like the big names, even if you are just starting out. So, let's start. What is a micro-personal brand? A micro-personal brand is when you become known for one specific thing in a specific niche. You are not trying to be famous. You are trying to be trusted and visible in a small focused space where the attention leads to income. Think the Notion templates guy, the dog training for aggressive breeds woman, the budget traveler hacker for students. You don't need to be everywhere, just top of mind in one place. How to create your micro-personal brand? Step 1. Pick your identity. Audience. Ask yourself, what do you know better than most people? What do people always ask me for help with? What kind of people would benefit from that? Example, you are great at saving money as a student. Finance for broke Gen Z students. Step 2. Choose a platform. Pick one platform where your audience hangs out. Instagram or TikTok. There are a lot of younger audiences there. There is Twitter or LinkedIn professionals. In this platform there is a lot of people with a lot of money. YouTube. In YouTube there are all kinds of people. There are brokies, there are millionaires, there are billionaires, there are all kinds of people in YouTube. Step 3. Create a strong position statement. Example, I help 20-something creators turn their skills into income. I teach busy moms how to lose fat without counting the calories. Simple, specific and relatable. Step 4. Publish 30 pieces of content. Talk about your journey. People relate to you, mistakes you have made, people trust you. What are you learning? People grow with you. Simple how-to content. People save, share. This is your proof of work. No one trusts a ghost. You need to show proof. And dashboards, no one believes anymore in dashboards. You need to show real proof. How to monetize your micro-personal brand. Once you have built trust with small followings, even 200 to 300 people, you can monetize it. 3 simple ways. Option 1. One-on-one service. Offer consulting, coaching or freelancing. Example, you are good at Instagram growth. Sell one-on-one audits or mentorship. Option 2. Digital product. Sell an ebook, template, checklist or courses. Example, an English teacher sells a $15 land guide for Europeans moving to the US. Just 100 downloads, that's equal at $1,500. Option 3. Community and subscription. Create a paid Discord, Notion group or email list with exclusive insights. Example, someone in the AI tools niche sells access to their curated weekly newsletter for $5 a month. You don't need a huge audience, just a hungry one. How to scale your micro-personal brand. Once you are making some money, now scale by producing what works. If you are in a one-on-one call, is selling well, turn it into a video course. Build automation, set up systems, Calendly for calls, Stripe or Gumroad for payments, ConvertKit or Beehive for email collections, collaborating, do interview, shout out, collabs with other micro creators in the space, cross-pollinate your audience. Real example of top micro-personal brands. For Justin Welch, LinkedIn. Build a 7-figure business by teaching solopreneurs how to grow on LinkedIn and create digital products, no team, no office. Second one, Shivani Beghel, UX designer on Instagram. Teaches beginner designer build digital products and coaching. 3. Daniel Vassallo, the Twitter. Quit Amazon, now makes over $500k a year selling small digital products and courses. 4. Girl with a Dog's YouTube. Niche dog grooming. Millions of viewers just by filming her grooming dogs and giving tips. 5. Iman Ghazi. Originally started with social media marketing agency tips. Build a personal brand around high ticket mindset and business advice. Each one started with one topic, one audience and relentless value. You don't need to be famous, you need to be known for something valuable and be trusted to deliver it. If you are serious about building your own micro-personal brand and want help with picking your niche, structuring your content, monetizing fast and avoiding the mistakes I've made, Send me a DM or book a one-on-one call. Let's create your personal brand together so you can start learning from your name like I did, even with 0 followers. The opportunity is right now. You just need to take the first step.